Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Alex. If you're an OG, you already know what time it is. Hey honey. So I know y'all hear it in my voice, right? Like, I'm sick again. But you know what? This sickness ain't gonna stop it ain't gonna stop no show. So my Vlogmas, guys. Yes, I'm participating in Vlogmas and I'm so excited. But my Vlogmas is going to be a little bit different. I plan to upload videos as well as vlogs because Monday through Friday I'm in legit mom mode. I don't do nothing. But on the weekends, we definitely try to make sure that the kids have a ball. So that's what I will be doing. Most of my vlog content for Vlogmas will come from the weekends when we're doing Christmas decorations and putting up trees and getting the girls all cute and making hot cocoa, all that good stuff. If you have not seen my IG reel, go check it out because that hot cocoa be busting, honey. Okay. But anyways, yeah, y'all, this install is for my honeys that want to look good on Christmas. Y'all, this is that same QT hair. Let me just shout out to QT one more time. This is the same QT hair that I bought off Amazon. I am still liking it. Y'all can see how it curls. This is how it's holding up. It's been about 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. I'm pushing it, I know. But like I said, I am sick, so I have not had time to redo anything. I have not been in the mood to do anything. But honey, I am dedicated to Vlogmas because it is my very first Vlogmas. And we are going to get the vlogs going for Vlogmas. Okay. Video / Vlogmas. But yeah, so definitely try this look out. If you are going to purchase the hair, you already know what it's going to look like. So try it. Use your wine curl look. Y'all, don't get me on a wine curler because tell me why I sat there and I burnt my whole wine curler. I'm going to show you in the video. You'll see it. But anyways, I love y'all. I'm so excited for all this content that is coming out. So I hope you guys tune in every single day to catch your girl. I will be putting up all type of content just to make sure we are serving and giving what we need to give for the holidays. I love y'all and let's vibe out.
Regret knocks at my door. Tell him no one's home. I can't think about this no more. I should have been more careful with my heart. Cause when it ends before it starts, it feels wrong to fall apart. But I was falling so deep into you. You left with half my heart. So deep into you, it came fast, but it came hard. Mixed up in my head, to me it don't make sense. Words were left unsaid, now hang over my head. Regretting all the silence, wonder what I could have done to make you stay. Or was life just in the way? Say it's just wrong time, wrong place. We'll just say it's wrong time, wrong place. Sometimes love is complicated and we've come too far to translate. So we'll just say it's wrong time, wrong place. We
I never claimed that I was brave, I only cut you out of way, I catch a wave, I only dip my toes in cold, hearted and divided, but you broke the silence, siren got me diving now. How can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a day, so lay it down for me instead right now, now. How about we just jump in the deep end? I won't let you drown, I won't let you down. Jump in the deep end, no, I won't let you drown, I won't let you down, no, no.
Impatient, growing impatient, 'cause you've been gone for a month and I'm needing a cure for these cravings. Yeah, I've been into you, right now you'll be in here's all that I need. That's why when I call I'm saying I miss you, just come back to me. Oh, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. All this distance got me losing my mind. No, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Spending so much time away from you just ain't right. It ain't right. Yeah, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Want you on my body, not just on my mind. Want your arms up in me till we can unwind. Yeah, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Yeah. I need you here with me. Face to face, no FaceTime. I need you in my sheets. Face to FaceTime. Yeah, I got all you need. I play for keeps. I was really feeling you when you left. Yeah, no one makes me miss him like you do, and that's dangerous. So I'ma need you to catch a flight real quick. I'll pick you up and we back to my crib, and I'ma show you how much, yeah, how much you've been missed. No, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. All this distance got me losing my mind. No, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Spending so much time away from you just ain't right. It ain't right. Yeah, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Want you on my body, not just on my mind. Want your arms up in me till we can unwind. Yeah, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Oh, yeah. I need you here with me. Face to face, no FaceTime. I need you in my sheets. Face to face, no FaceTime. Yeah, I got all you need. I play for keeps. It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps
house at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze-fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks I won and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly, girly. Let's get girly, girly. I go touch alone with a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly, girly. Let's get girly, girly.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, no neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like whoa, oh. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just see the way like whoa, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Walk down the street and I move to the snare. Throw my hands up to the bass like a prayer. Stars shine behind downtown skyline. Don't overthink tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for the rhythm, a sonic romance. Pulsing concrete